Can we use swing trading strategy? You can apply in Nifty also. Of course the answer is yes to give his trade. The frequency is very low but his trades are excellent first. So you will get a profitable trade whose. If the success rate remains significantly high, we have to find areas where put-call ratio becomes overbought or put-call ratio. Analysis of derivatives oversold. This will tell me when to take the trade. The direction is bullish or bearish. Have to take and technical will tell you whether to take the trade. When is it? Trade is not happening here at the moment. Now what should I do in this trade? Let me tell you, I need one hourly chart of Nifty. 2 more indicators are needed. Which 2 indicators? The first indicator is multiple moving averages. Multiple moving averages. Joe Darrell. Guppy means buy signal. From here it's time to find out. Hi guy, welcome to Upsearch guys. Recently I read something on swing trading. Made videos where I love you. Got all the love, got a lot of comments. You guys liked that series a lot. Where I took my swing with you. Trading strategy was discussed, but at the same time a common request which I saw it in a lot of comments. That was whether we swing trading strategy can also apply in Nifty. If yes, then of course the answer is yes, I am Nifty. And I am a big fan of Bank Nifty. Strong preference for index trading. I do, but only more in the index. The only thing you have to keep in mind is that your number of trades there is very less if you trade only in Nifty. But if you want to do it in a different, if you make tools from it and keep it by creating an extra trading strategy, if you keep it, then you will get regular distribution of stocks. You will also get to know the trades in Nifty whenever you get them. You can take trades here also, but today, in the video I talk about Nifty. Going to discuss trading strategy. Let me tell you, I have a very high conveyance on this trading strategy. The only problem is that because we just dependent on an index, that is why its probability of occurrence, or should we say that the frequency of his trades is very high, is less, but its trades are very brilliant in the strategy here. You will see 2 very good things in. First, you will get a profitable trade. Will get the one whose success rate is significantly high. The second one will be for you regarding the market from here. You will get a very big view, friends. This, if I use strategy for trading, then definitely uses me every now and then. I get trades in this. Definitely execute trades as an option seller or a futures trader, but at the same time, whenever this setup comes to me, as long as he gives me a trade, I get a share of the market. I get a broad idea from someone. More ways to earn money. Helps, for example, if I need. The strategy should be to find out that Nifty bullish and my setup from here gives me buy. It means it is giving a signal. You will be able to see the horoscope from here, which market. If I can go in the direction, then I am here. Use some important things in strategy. Starting to understand what I am going to do. There may be a little trick in this, so I need your utmost attention here. The most important thing in the thought process of this strategy. First comes an analysis of the option by FAO. Analysis, and after that come 2 indicators. To confirm your trade, friends. The meeting of these 3 things. It is very important for you to trade. Don't rush to take if you have. Even if you are late by an hour, it will still work. Because our targets here are bigger. We are here on Nifty from 1 to 2. Talking about move in Nifty at 2. Move means approximately in today's date. Nifty moves around 500 points. Point means move of Nifty on or 2. Nifty's movement means big, at least 3 to 5% move in stocks. Many more stocks of Nifty 100 will come. You can see the move from 4 to 6 in. You can catch big rallies. Based on this strategy, it will take confidence that you go into stock will be able to trade more. I would say that if this strategy helps you in any trading, if you are giving setup than someone else trading, if you have any buy or sell signal on setup, rubbing the one that matches this, your success rate will become very high. Increase your position sizing there. If you can then come without any delay. Let's talk about this entire strategy. The strategy starts with one of the options with data named PCR put call ratio. To 2 people who don't know put call, what is the ratio? What is the put call ratio? Total number of puts divided by total number of calls. Now give this put call ratio. A volume is calculated using put call ratio. Second, OA's put call ratio. Friends, put call ratio of volume can be used for intraday trading because next day volume starts again from 0. Volume peaks at the end of the day. And after that the next day a new game starts from zero. This is why we call volume put. We will not use ratios here because we are going to do swing trading, so here we will use OII.com. Here I will not go into the theory that when is it more and when is it less. I will come directly to its application in here. But I will show you its example whenever PCR says put call ratio when it is very high, this means that the market is kind of over here, and if this put call ratio is too low, it means this market here pays over. If it is sold, then we have to find such areas where the put call ratio becomes overbought or put call if the put call ratio is oversold. When the ratio is too overheated, this means sell signal in the market from here. Short sale is coming as soon as we leave immediately. We will not do this, we have to wait for the sell signal here, and here we are using two things, first derivative analysis and second technical analysis. Derivative analysis will tell me in which direction to take the trade, whether to take bullish or bearish, and technical. It will tell when to take the trade, so we are using both things together. So here we first see where the put call ratio will be, and after that I will show you a live example. So first of all I will see the put call ratio. This data is available on any of your broking terminals. You will find it where the data of options is shown. For example, here I open my brokerage terminal, and in the options trader, if I go to its option chain, then as you can see here I see PCR. The beauty about this strategy is that you have to see the PCR only once a day. As it is currently running around 1, no trade is being made here. So what is that value of PCR? Where the trade is generated, those are the two values of PCR where the trade is generated for you friends. If you have seen the video till here, then I am very sure you are understanding all this and you are enjoying it too, but to become profitable in the long term, a lot more is needed apart from this. The movement of every stock is different, that is why you will not be able to apply this strategy in all the stocks. You need different approach for different types of stocks for different types of products, and that is why I have brought a course of momentum swing trading strategy which can be made on ups.com. In the course I have discussed 3 trading strategies, namely swing and momentum trader, in which in every trading strategy I have talked about correct entry point, exit point, stop loss, target, which stock this strategy will fit and which one it will not. Not just this, all these trading strategies are given in created documents fragment. Let us now go back and complete our strategy. First, here PCR should be greater than 1.5. If PCR is above 1.5, then it means Nifty is overbought here, and if PCR is below 0.7, then it means Nifty is oversold here. Do not short sell as soon as it becomes overbought. Do not buy as soon as it becomes oversold here. But we will use technical analysis. You have looked at these indicators only once a day, but the trade is not being made right now. I will tell you what to do in this trade. For example, here I am opening the historical PCR in front of you first, so here I want the historical PCR, so I take out the historical PCR here, and here I open this website and I click on open interest and I open the chart of its PCR here. I do not want a simple moving average, I want weighted PCR and PCR, I want only PCR, and here I have the PCR chart in front of me. The chart comes up, friends, we need an area where PCR is above 1.5 or below 0.7. You are seeing this is extreme gene. If PCR goes above 1.5 here, it means Nifty is overbought here, and if it goes below 0.7, it means Nifty is oversold here. Now here I will show you some examples. For example, if you look here, so on September 13, 2023, PCR is 1.51. On September 13, 2023, PCR is more than 1.5. Now we should not short sell here. We have to start looking for sell signals here. Now how will we get this sell signal? Here the role of FAO ends. Here the role of technical analysis begins. And here we come to our charts, and now we will see on September 13th. After 2023, when will I short sell here? Look here, I have understood that I have to only short sell. I do not have to buy here. I have to only short sell. Now we open the chart here. Remember Nifty's 1 yearly chart. We need Nifty's 1 yearly chart and 2 indicators. Which are the 2 indicators? The first indicator is multiple moving averages. You can use any moving averages here. Any 2 or 3 moving averages can be used at small gaps. Otherwise, the simple way is that you use multiple moving averages which are of Darrell Guppy. So here I apply it where I do not have to use much brain. Simply I applied Darrell Guppy's multiple moving average, and here we have to use another indicator. Which is William. Percentage RES. There is a trick here. After applying William percentage R, you don't have to use the default parameters. On applying William percentage R, you have to make these minor changes in its parameters. Firstly, you have to increase its length a lot. Around 200, 250, 300. I just increase its parameter from 14 to 280. It doesn't matter that the level is coming. You have just made this parameter 280. First thing. Secondly, click on a horizontal line at -50. The values of William R oscillate between -100 to 0. You click on a line at -50 in the center. Here, this is your William percentage R with a parameter of 280 and a central line at -50. We only need a parameter of 280. Secondly, we only need a parameter of 280. I need a guppy moving average which will tell me this, which will give me a signal in advance that the time has come for the market to sell here. By the way, the role of multiple moving averages is also less here, the biggest role comes here. Now what was our date? That was the 13th of September 2023, let's go to that date. So the 13th of September 2023, the market was at a significant higher level which we were seeing there. That's why the market must have been overbought, right? Because its number is running 1.51, it means the market was overbought. Now it is running overbought here, let it keep going here, but when it starts getting stuck here in the middle, it means the time is coming for you to take a trade here. Friends, this is a leading indicator to tell that your time to take a trade is coming, but you don't have to take a trade right now, let it come here as well. We have to short sell Nifty when the first thing we have to do is short sell when a gap starts building in the guppy moving average where all the short-term moving averages for traders are below the red moving averages, which is for investors means multiple moving averages have become bearish at the same time. The most important condition in this entire market is that the gap starts building up in the guppy moving average where all the short-term moving averages for traders are below the red moving averages, which is for investors. Within the strategy, your William percentage R whose parameters we had increased a little bit, this number should be below -50, like you see here, here it comes below -50, here you will short sell Nifty and until the crossover comes back in your moving averages, you can hold the bearish position and your first target will be the move of Nifty around approximately 2 paise. We will start booking our profit around approximately 1.5 to 2 paise and or my multiple moving average will give reversal, and here if I am not able to book the position here, then it gave me a sell signal around this level. I took the sell initiative around 19,800 odd levels and after that the prices kept going down and it went down to approximately 19,300, so I got to see a downside of approximately 500 points here in this trade before booking my profits. Before this, the multiple moving averages give me any reversal. I have checked the 500-point move. Let me show you one more trade here. After that, as you can see around mid-October, our PCR comes to a lower level, it comes below 0.7. Here you can see it is 0.886, but if you look below, it comes to around 0.5, which is the 19th of October 2023, which means the time has come to find a buy signal from here. Let us go to the 19th of October 2023. See here, the market is continuously falling. Let it come, we don't have to do anything. When do we have to do it? When I will get a buy signal here and plus I will get a buy signal from here as well. I got a buy signal here, but it gave a buy signal. I gave a signal here, friends, here I get a buy signal at approximately 19,500 and after that moving ahead, even if you did not take the buy signal here, you took it on the next day gap up, even then after that you got a direct rally from 19,600 odd level, you got a direct rally approximately around 21,000, you are getting to see a rally above 21,000, also you are getting to see a rally up to 21,500, so this is more than 10 per upside which you are getting to see here, friends. Here you will get very less number of trades to increase increase the number of trades, you can reduce the ratio of PCR a little. I personally do not want a high number of trades. For me, successful trades matter more. Now think in this upside how many good stocks I would have been able to catch for myself apart from trading in this Nifty. I would have taken profit of approximately 400 to 500 points as a swing trader, and if you think of buying options here, then time value may be lost. That is why this is only for futures and out of the money option selling, so I take advantage of this swing training by selling out of the money options here. At the same time, I take hints from here. Please tell me any strategy in the comment section at the same time. If you have any doubt or any question regarding this strategy, then please tell me here. I would be happy answering this question for you. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.